Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video we are going to talk about the new Hyper Real Glow, I have to check, highlighting palettes by MAC. MAC recently came out with 2 highlighting palettes, and I believe it's their first highlighter palette. Of course, MAC has highlighters. We all know Soft and Gentle. I think we also all know Oh Darling, which was part of a holiday collection, but now it's like permanent, and it is a true gold. It is one of my favorites. It's kind of the same as Whisper of Guilt, and if you know that one, you know that is pure gold. It is phenomenal, and that's why I love Oh Darling. But now they have 2 highlighter palettes. This is what they look like, and then they have one more towards pink undertones, and then the other one is more towards gold. So we already know which one will be my favorite. But what I'm going to do, I am going to apply one shade on my face because I have a full face of makeup, but I didn't apply highlighter yet. And then I'm going to swatch the rest of the colors. I hope I can, because if you follow me, you know I am not the best person when it comes to swatches, so I'm gonna do my best and pray that it will be okay. So let's get started. Okay, so this is the first palette. It is called Flesh Plus, I don't even know how to pronounce that. It is called I don't know. It's spelled A-W-E. How in the hell do you pronounce that? Anyway, as you can tell, I already swatched one of them, this one, and I don't think I'm going to apply this one on my face. So let's do some swatches. Okay, so this is the first one, and it is very, very bright. It is very light, so I think this is perfect for people with a little bit of a lighter skin tone. To me, this is way too light. It's not going to look good on my face, but it is a very pretty color. Color number 2. Oh, this is bright, but a little bit more pink than the previous one, but very, very pretty. Maybe I can wear this, I'm not sure. And then the last one of the palette, and ooh, I like this. This is a little bit more gold. Let's swatch a little bit more. This is a little bit more gold, but still light. It reminds me, no, it's not gold. It's more of a champagne color. It's like a little bit like Soft and Gentle. I like it. I can wear this. Okay, so that was this palette here. I think the colors are very, very pretty. I like the formula. It is creamy. It is nice. It's not too powdery. I like this. I like this very much. Let's do the gold palettes. This is the gold one. It's not called the gold one. It's called Get It Glowin, but it kind of looks like gold shapes. Okay, let's do this. That is nice. This is called Gold Casting, and it's the first shade from this palette. This is me. Definitely. I like this. Very gold, but this is more of a lighter gold, more towards yellow. Whew. Somebody is going to glow. I should not sing. I'm sorry, but this is pretty. Look at that. Woohoo! And this is the darker one. This is called Rosy Cheer, and this is very pretty. It's more of a like bronzy tone, so for people with darker skin, this would be amazing. I think it's a bit too dark for me, but if you're darker than me, you will be fabulous wearing this highlighter. It's so pretty. Okay, so now that we swatched the shades, I hope it was okay, and if not, I'm sorry. I I think I am going to apply the middle one. This is called Get It Glowing, like the same name as the palette is called. So let's do this. By the way, I don't have a liquid highlighter on my face because I really want you to see how the highlighter is on its own without a liquid highlighter. And most of the time I do that, but you know, it's cheating, so we're not going to do that. Okay, let's add some more. This is nice. Okay, first thing I notice is that it is not a blinding highlight. So it is not as blinding as Oh Darling. It's more of a little bit more subtle highlighter, but pretty. It's definitely a glow to the face, but not like a wet highlighter or a highlighter that looks wet on your skin. You know what I mean? You know what I mean. Let's do the other side. Okay, so you know what we're gonna do? I am going to take that same shade and spraying a little bit of Fix Plus just to make it a little bit more intense, and let's see what the highlighter will do. There we go. Right up my alley, honey. Applying a little bit of bronzer just because I want the highlighter and my bronzer to be nicely blended. But this is what I like. So if you are kind of the way I am and you love a wet, blinding highlight, definitely spray some Fix Plus or some water on your brush and you will get the wet highlighter look. That's what I like. So yeah, overall, I think these are very, very nice. I do have one thing that I'm not so happy about, and I'm gonna show you why. And that's the fact that it has fallout and a bit too much for me. That's what I do not like about highlighters. Maybe that's the reason why it's not a wet looking highlighter, but I don't know, it's not a very, very bad thing. You can live with it. So final review, amazing. I really, really like these highlighter palettes. They are not a wet highlight, but that is okay. You just gotta wet your brush a little bit, use some Fix Plus or some water, that's fine. So yeah, I am pretty pleased about this. I love the fact that it has 6 colors. That is amazing. So every skin tone can find a highlighter that will suit you, and we all know how important that is, right? So yeah, what I'm going to do, I am going to swatch these babies again, but then, you know, like nice with tape and, you know, making them as even as possible so you can get another close-up look, because I was swatching and I was like, it's still not going the way I want it to be, and I really want you guys to see how the colors look like, so I'm going to do that again. So I am not going to talk anymore. I want to thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know your opinion on these highlighting palettes and keep on watching if you want to see the swatches.